Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error 267 on Roblox in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the error 267. Error 267 usually means you were kicked from a game. This can happen due to game rules, admin actions, or account restrictions. This is often game related, not a phone problem. Tip 2. Close and reopen Roblox. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Roblox and swipe it up to close. Then open Roblox from your home screen. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume buttons. Then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. Step 4. Check screen time restrictions. First go to the settings. Then tap on screen time. Tap content and privacy restrictions. Make sure Roblox is allowed and not blocked. Restrictions can cause forced game removal. Step 5. Try a different game. Open Roblox and join a different game. Some games kick players automatically due to the scripts or age limits. Step 6. Final check. Join a game and confirm it loads without error 267. This issue should now be resolved. And that's how you can fix error 267 on an iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.